What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? All right, guys. What's up, guys? Yo, check it out. All right, guys. Check it out, guys. What's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. We got another one of our older clients hates the way this thing rides. Like, oh my gosh, just start modding the car. We're gonna show you the installation on it. Now he picked up a used rear-wheel drive Model 3 with the most updated version, so you can see the difference. But we did not have any time to hesitate to have a suspension comfort setup. New racing suspension for autocross. So comfy. This baby. I hope you guys enjoy watching all the memories. We'll see you guys on the next one, all right? Thanks, guys. See ya.